Good morning and welcome to the Backpacktrader training room for Tuesday, December 10th, 2024. Please note the required risk disclosure. This room is for educational and information purposes only. It is not to be considered individual financial advice. Trading of this type carries substantial risks and should only be attempted with funds you can afford to do without. All right. No more sessions today, so we're done with disclosure. Crude is in a short trade. YM has a get in sync long trade. That will come up in just a few minutes at market open. Pound Aussie is in a long trade also. Unleaded is at a break even and a full stop out. Just completed the full stop out. Crude approaching money management. Soybeans has gone too far in its pre-market trade. Pound Aussie hit money management. And that is going to bring the stop up to, now that'll actually bring it to 49 until we hit target. Then it'll come to 50 there. We just hit target, so it'll come to 52. Once we've hit a target, I won't let it adjust to leave risk on the table. See, there's the plotted at 49, but since we have a target in hand, I'll keep it at 52. That would normally be a major key level adjustment, 52 to 49. Crude back at its entry point. Pound Aussie will be one and done this morning. And our next goal is target 2. And we go back to short on the YM, and that actually is going to be a valid trade, and we are in the short. Good sized trade. 42 ticks to target 1. Short on crude, short on the YM. Flat on soybeans. Flat on unleaded. Long on the pound Aussie, and we do have a. I'm afraid that's gonna. Yeah, that's. Well, actually, nope, that's a valid trade. 10-second entry bar. That one is going to be a win. That hit target 3 before coming back for the break-even stop. So the trade is complete as a winner. It did hit target, didn't get to target 4, unfortunately. And we need to come down three ticks for our money management level. YM reverses to to long. At 86. And then reverses again back to short. At 52. Yeah, 52. We're in the short from 52. Got a second chance to get in. 34 tick loss times 2 positions is 68. And we lost a few ticks on the prior money management and target 1. Crude hit money management. We're looking for and we stop out at break even, so no targets on that trade. And there is a stop on the YM. 321 from 352 is 31. We pick up 36, so 67. That erases the second loss. So our first loss was from 83 to 86, so that's a 6-tick loss. Now we are long. So we're down 7 ticks. Looks like the YM wants to go down. Noisy enough to keep throwing trades. Unleaded in a short. YM is long. Crude is currently flat. Soybeans is flat. That looks like probably a valid trade. Looks like it most likely hit the stop before hitting the entry. Down 3 again. That's target 4 win. $87.1. Would be our current stop, it appears. Yep. That's where we are at 87.1. YM long is taking some heat. And stops out. So we were down 7. And we go from 316. Yeah. 29, and so risk was 37, so 74, we're down 81. Pound Aussie trying to move up to target 2. Soybeans still in the early trade. $83.1 for the micro Russell stop. Pound Aussie looks like it's trying to set a new session high. And another long on YM. $291. I would adjust that around the 20 SMA and make it 293, but we're in it anyway. $26 tick target. Missing money management by just a tick or two. Unleaded still in the short. The long filtered by the squeeze zone. Target 1 on the YM. That leaves us down 55. We did stop out of the micro Russell trade at 83.1. Two wins there. YM stop moves up to 299. Pound Aussie came very close to its session high, but looks like it's pulled back now. The consolidation going on. Actually, I guess I can put unleaded over top of crude. So we can look at the micro NQ. All right, wait 4 minutes. So our first trade is the long right here. Still in and trailing. Trailing stop at 568 even, 568 flat. This is a slightly larger than normal trade. Target 2 achieved already. Target 3 missed by just a tick, couple of ticks, it looks like. Target 3 at 50, let's see, 589 and 3/4. And we got to 589 and 1/4. We missed it by 2 ticks. YM stop all the way up to 327. 328. 37 ticks. Still 18 ticks from getting to break even. Stopping out at 328, so we're down 18 ticks now on the YM. Seller's trying to take it back. YM moving up off of a new session low it set this morning, about 10 minutes after market open. And micro NQ stops out at 568 flat. Target 2 win. Target 3 if you traded for profit when it got to within 2 ticks. At 50 some points. That's definitely worth trading for profit there. Unleaded with a long trade. That will be a stop and reverse at 47. So still in the short trade, and well, no, not anymore. We just went long. Unleaded having a difficult time this morning. And in a short trade now on the micro NQ. Long on unleaded, short on the micro NQ. Flat on the YM, flat on the micro Russell. Still long on, just missing our break-even stop on pound Aussie. Still long. Yeah, low of 52.4. So 4 ticks away. Short on the micro Russell. This trade's a little bit larger than normal. Not quite big enough to move target, but plenty big so that we don't have to adjust the money management from target 1. 1.7 to target 1, so that is our break-even point. Money management on the micro NQ. And target 2. So micro NQ is a second winner. We will move our target to target 3. It's our next goal. Trailing micro Russell. At 87.6. And we should start trailing momentarily on the micro NQ. Soybean still in the early long trade, and there is the start of trailing on the micro NQ. 544, moving off the break-even stop. 541.5. $87.3 on the micro Russell. Still looking for target 3 there. Looking for target 3 on the micro NQ. Stop moves up to 954 on pound Aussie. With that swing, I'm of the opinion I would keep our stop at 52 for one more bar. Unleaded long taking some heat. Stop on the micro NQ's moved again. 538 3/4. Still at 87.3 on the Micro Russell. Micro Russell challenged the stop, but still surviving. Still short. Micro NQ moved down again. 538 flat, 536 flat. And we stop out for a partial win on the Micro Russell. So that is 2 wins, 3 wins actually. That's still a partial winner. So we can take 1 more win or 3 more trades, whichever comes first. Micro Russell down to 533 and a quarter for the stop. Unleaded moving up again at our entry level again. Long trade on the Micro Russell. Another slightly larger than normal trade. Target 2 still not big enough to move down to it, so target 3 is still our goal target. 392.5. And the Micro NQ stops out. For win number 2. Money management on the Micro NQ, or Micro Russell M2K. Break even stop 88.7. And stopping out for a break even. So 3 wins, 1 break even. 1 win or 2 more trades now. And we are in the now I've got no place to put the unleaded chart because we're at our 10 a.m. mini session. I'm going to bring it down here, back down where it belongs. That's too early, so no trade there. Soybeans still continuing, and Micro Russell with a short. That's hit money management. It looks like, yeah, there's target 3. So we'll move down to target 4. That's going to be win number 4. That will end the session when this trade completes. Move down 3 ticks on that one again. So it looks like we're at 85.5. That's where our money management was. So win number 4. 4 wins, 1 break even. And a short trade. So we get out at 54 anyway. That's going to be POQ for pound Aussie. We won't take the short trade. That's where I can put unleaded now. So we picked up a long trade on micro NQ. And this is a winning trade. So that is a 3rd win on the micro NQ. Also trailing 560 and a half. And the micro Russell stops out, so that ends that session. The 9 a.m. session on crude was plus 2 ticks. Actually, no, no, it wasn't. We should have picked up this long trade that went for full stop. 19 tick risk, 38 tick loss. So that means 36 tick loss on the session. Still no trades on the YM. We're just 18 ticks down there. Soybeans still in the pre-market long trade. And unleaded with money management on its long trade. Target 1 traders have a win there. Target 2 marked up here. There we go. Target 1 traders pick up 41 ticks. Actually, pick up 37 because of stop and reverse. Micro NQ getting target 3. So next is target 4. That trade is 3 targets and a trailer. So looking for target 4, trailer at 568 3/4. And we are done with the micro NQ. And we're waiting for our first trade in the 10 a.m. crude mini session. Short trade on the YM filtered by the squeeze zone. 50 EMA coming between the entry and target 1. Target 4 achieved the micro NQ. 580 1/4 for the trailing stop. $5.58 for the unleaded stop. Trying to reach target 2. $5.69 now. The unleaded stop. Trying to reach target 2 at 606. Got to 602. Micro NQ setting a new session high. Micro Russell and the YM both coming off session lows around market open. Micro NQ stops out. One more win or 3 more trades. Unleaded still trying to Make target 2. Pound Aussie complete. Micro Russell complete. 9 a.m. crude mini session is complete. Since we ran out of time, we are waiting for our first trade in the 10 a.m. session. Micro NQ has going to take one more win, 3 more trades, whichever comes first. There's a long on the YM. See if that can get the 18 ticks that we need. It did just trigger in. Target is just above the 200 EMA. 25 ticks, so that would get us positive. Soybeans just continues to keep going up. Not terribly active. You can see the session open less than 2/3 of the way across the chart. We may be getting close to going to March on that as well. No, not quite. We're still about 2-1 on January. Looking out for volume to transition on the market indices as well, our quarterly market indices. Crude coming back to test the 20 SMA. And unleaded coming back to test the balance line. Actually, this add-on long is a valid trade and just hit. That's going to be 96 flat. So our stop goes to 96 1/4. So much other stuff going on. I didn't notice that one. But we do use add-on trades there, since the prior trade was before our start time. So we have target 1 in hand. It's going to be a one and done session. And we can, as soon as it crosses the break-even stop, we can borrow the trailer from the early trade. YM picks up target, so that is going to put it positive on the day. Stop now at 369. From our entry at 366. So 25 on target, 328. We're at least 10 ticks positive so far. See if crude bounces off the 50 EMA. Probable, crude is probably below the 50 a couple of times already. We'll have to see if we get support here again. And we did stop out of the unleaded trade. So target 2 traders get a partial 569 from 547, 22 ticks times 2, so we pick up 44 ticks there. We got more work to do than that. And our stop moves up to 374 on the YM. Now 12 ticks, and then moves up again to 379. Looks like we're going to move up to 386. Or no, 384. On the close of this bar. And the stop moved up to 384. 18 ticks. That's our was the amount we were down, so we're up. Going to be up 25 now. And a short trade on the micro NQ. Trade number 4. We get to target 2. That will be the final trade of the session. Crude still working around the 50 EMA. Unleaded pushing down. No new overbought or oversold readings since the successful long trade. So no trades on unleaded. And we did trigger short on the micro NQ. YM stopped to 393. $27 ticks on the trailer, and now 397. 31 ticks. It was at least 38 ticks positive. Unfortunately, I am going to have to sign off at 10:30. I have to get ready for an appointment. And this looks like we get a stop out at 397. So 38 tick positive session. YM is complete. Short trade does trigger in on the micro NQ for sure. And now we have a short on crude. First trade of the 10 a.m. mini session hasn't triggered yet. Micro NQ testing the 50 EMA there. Crude rejected at the 50. Looks like I'm going to come back down and test it again. Or at least attempting to push back down. See where it goes. That's one close above the balance line, so that might cancel the trade. We get another close above the balance line. Micro NQ pushing down, as is the micro Russell momentarily anyway. Okay, and we get target 2, so this will be the final trade in micro NQ. And it's 10:30, so we're just waiting to see how far this micro NQ trade will go. That's the last trade of the morning. No trade so far on 10 a.m. crude session. Oh, crude, yeah. Quick long setup there. 55, yeah. And we do get into the long trade. Comes back and does trigger us in. The short did obviously cancel. But that's where I'm going to have to leave you this morning. All right, so no trade. Okay, we did get target 1, so and There is our stop on the soybeans trade. Still at break-even stop. We got target 1, so this will be our quitting trade. But I am going to have to say goodbye. And looks like we're going to stop out, break even on the break even stop out on the trailer for the micro NQ, but that is the 4th win. That ends that session. So unleaded and the 9 a.m. crude are the only things that are negative this morning. Soybeans with no trades and in a long on the 10 a.m. crude session. So I will have to say goodbye, and we will see everybody tomorrow morning at 9:30. Regular session at 9:30, crude oil inventory session at 10:30. Everybody have a good one. We'll see you tomorrow.